There's a lot of women power in this kitchen today. Bundle blessing has started and I've already started crying because that's just, Erica knows, I mean, it just happens. Free Spirit Bundle is closing out the year with our 2022 Bundle Blessing Project. What is that? It is where we do a complete room makeover for a family who has walked through divorce at no cost to them. So all of our subscribers to Free Spirit Bundle, every quarter I take a portion of those boxes that are sold and set it aside so we can do this. I'm so blessed by these women. Like, God has given me the best team ever. Everyone's here today just serving. No one's clocking in and out. Like, truly, this is a gift to this family. The best part, you guys, is that even though we're doing her daughter's room and that was the Bundle Blessing project, we had enough money and a couple of donations that we were able to also touch in the kitchen. So it's getting painted thanks to Sherwin-Williams in Nocatee. They have donated the paint to do this. Tandy and Kara are getting ready to start that. This table's leaving because we had enough money in the budget to buy a new table. So Andrea's favorite room in her house is her kitchen. She's a great cook, and I'm so excited that we get to bless her in this way. So stay tuned to see all the happy that's happening. Erica, do you wipe your walls down at home? All the time. Kara is attempting to take her first light down ever. She says she couldn't do it. I disagree. How's it going, Kara?
Fart.
10.
I told you you could do it. I'm just waiting for the family to come so they can see the big reveal. I'm so excited, so thankful for all of our subscribers who were part of this amazing Bundle Blessing. So Andrea doesn't know that we painted her kitchen and gave her a little refresh. She loves the kitchen, but our Bundle Blessing is tiny, so we only got to do her daughter's room, but we did a whole bunch in her kitchen too to give her a little refresh.
Right into your live present? Are you gonna leave me like it'll fall on my face?
No, I love you.
Oh my god. So beautiful.
It's your favorite color.
I told you. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. I didn't even notice the pink everywhere. I love it so much. Thank you so much. Thank you.
And the team is all back here. And all the hard work. My team's amazing.
Oh my goodness, this is so amazing. You kept the secret? Is that why you were like, where are you? Are you out? Oh
So
my
fun.
gosh, this is so amazing. Guys, thank you so much.
You're welcome. And here, close your eyes again.
Deserve this.
You are deeply loved, and that is what the message is from Free Spirit Bundle.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you guys.
So I know it's not much in the living room, but just know that you are loved, and that's why we do this at Free Spirit Bundle.
Thank you so much.
A subscriber actually bought that for you. Because that's the truth right there. Don't look back.
I'm not going that way. I just thank you guys. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas! Okay, so this is the February bundle. Bundle Blessing. The reason why we're able to do this is because of our subscribers.
Oh, it's like overwhelming. So many treasures. This is so fun.